Good morning, fellow traders. Welcome to the channel. This is Curious Combo, where we take trading as a business, boring, predictable, but profitable. We're using my Double Stochastic strategy, and let's start the day off with us here on the daily time frame. Looking at DAX going pretty much from early February, a bull run, all the way to the 22,900s. Dipping down and finding support from 22,100s, and now it has been hovering and going big up, big down on the daily moves on an hourly chart between the range of 22,100 and retesting the 22,500. This is what it looks like on the daily, and this is where we always start finding our key levels. Moving on to the hour. This is what we're looking at, the hourly time frame. This is the Tuesday early morning. Here is the start and open of the day. The DAX was hovering in the middle of the range and went and tested, went above all the way to 567, gap down to the US Open, and again started climbing, and now it's hovering here on the 514 level. And we'll go to our trading window 15, and for precise entries and exits we use the 5 minutes sometimes. This is what it looks like on the 15. The range here, we could draw our support level and key level here. Let's see what it looks like a little bit further. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 22,316 is the closest major support now. So the range is getting tighter, whereas previously we were able to find it all the way to 218. Let's see how this plays out. Looking at the stochastics, I have two stochastics as always laid on top of each other. Got the slow moving with the values 66, 3 and 3, and the fast one moving 25 and 5. So as you can see, yesterday morning they were grouped together here in the overbought levels, and sure enough, they grouped all the way down to the 330 level, and there was a bit of a separation here after that, a bit of a confusion trying to gain the momentum back up to where we started. So big down, big up, kind of confusing day, definitely on the 15-minute chart. Let's see if 5 minutes gave anything. Yeah, you were able basically to look at these 5-minute gains. They were looking at from 6:30 to 6:55, 5:30 to 5:55. So about 15-20 minutes, and again 8:30 to 8:45, 15 minutes here. So couple of moves, 467 points to 566, about 100 points each of these 15-20 minute moves. And so if we also give a consideration for today's open and the macroeconomic factors playing a major role for today, Wednesday, the weak US consumer confidence data that caused this ripple effect from the US market yesterday. Asia Pacific session has now dipped minus over 1%. Yeah, showing some clear weakness. That's clearly suggesting a risk-off sentiment from Asia. China's indexes have been on the rise. Hang Seng almost The key economic data to watch for today, Wednesday, there will be new home sales from January released and PCE index. That's on Friday, but today is new home sales. Expected is 671,000 versus prior 698,000, so it should be lower than the prior from December. So trading setups, if you're looking the market to go both ways for your setups, we are now on the 1 hour chart, we are in the somewhat overbought territory on the top of the range. We are, however, clearly on the, let's go back to 4 hours at least, so we can see how we are in the bullish momentum. So be very cautious if you take those positions going and correcting downwards. You might want to make sure that the slow stochastic is pushed to the downside and the fast stochastic is moving towards it like a rubber band. So if they both are pushing down, then you might be more on the safer side, but I am a bit reluctant on taking any short positions in this overall sentiment where we are anyways somewhat on the ranging conditions but still on the bullish territory. Go to indicators and let's put a crossover on the moving averages, and if we want to change these to, let's say, 21 days, and let's put 150 days looking backward. So there you have it. We've had crossover territory here, but still couldn't truly cross over. This was December 26th, and since then we clearly moved to the upside. And so when we're going up on the bullish territory, you want to stay on the left side of always on the fast moving, or in this case the 21-day moving average. So when the price comes back and touches, that might be your signal that the price is continuing if you get a confirmation on the stochastics here. But anyways, this is what it looks like on the 4 hour almost daily time frame. So we're clearly in the upward momentum still. So I don't know, you tell me, does this look bullish or bearish to you? How would you be trading this? Feel free to drop your predictions in the comments. If you found this analysis helpful, smash that like button for me and give me a subscribe for daily trading breakdowns. If you turn on the notifications, you will not miss these daily or weekly time frames when I post my view on the DAX market and how US guides the move of this index. I will be watching the markets today actively, so I'll see you tomorrow, but you will be able to reach me through email or by commenting down below.